Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and here you have phone ringtone. Here you can select one of the preset ringtones, or just go to the add ringtone and select your own and set your own song, melody, or any other composition as your ringtone by selecting file from here, or you can just select one of the preset. I'll select my all-time banger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.